Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 32 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. And today I learned all about accessibility for websites and web applications. Accessibility refers to how usable a website is for somebody with disabilities. And before today, I wasn't even aware of the concept of accessibility for websites, let alone how to actually implement it. Accessibility is really important because you don't want to leave anybody hanging when they want to use your site. Not only is this the right thing to do, but if your website or web application isn't accessible, then you're going to lose customers and you're potentially going to open yourself up to a lawsuit. To avoid this, there are certain guidelines called the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which when followed ensure that your website or web application is accessible. And these guidelines are perceivable, understandable, operable, and robust. And at the end of this module, I created an order form that abided by these guidelines. So this is a pretty standard looking form that you might see on the web. The size of the input field as well as the size of the buttons make them very clickable, which adds to the accessibility. The form itself is very understandable, and there are context clues to help guide the user when filling out the form. And if we use Chrome DevTools to audit the site, we can see that it actually scores very high in terms of accessibility. Alright, well that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.